Come on, baseline, baseline, baseline. Come on, we can make it. Come on, 2 more laps.
You lucky I like you, P
I'm
Money,
just
because
saying.
we will be having a whole different conversation right now. So you know what I'm talking about, you know how I give it up in these streets. But you know, I fuck with P Money, so I love to see this man
I'm
win.
sorry.
This man is
Sorry
from
that
Chicago, you know what I'm
I'm
talking about.
sorry that can't show no mercy.
You sorry that what?
I'm sorry, can't show no mercy. I'm sorry.
Can't, what's her name again? Can't what? Can I? Or I can't?
Can't show no mercy.
It is what it is. I love it. I love to see you win, doing your shit, dog. You know what I'm talking
And
about?
look,
It's about to be my time in a
oh,
minute when we
Lord,
turn the
Jesus,
fuck
Lord,
up in a
Christ,
second.
Lord.
You know what I mean? I gotta, I
Oh
gotta get into my
shit,
shit. I told you your
that
wife.
motherfucker gets smoky dope, dokey dope dope. Oh man,
Cuban. I am not Cuban. Thank you, Sasha, baby. I appreciate it. Why'd you have to put laughing
thank
faces, though? We still sleeping on remake up, y'all. You know what I'm talking
you.
about, breadwinner? Damn. There's no way I have 300 people in here watching me lose like this on Zero.
I
That
know
is
SB
crazy.
sitting back with his feet kicked up like, look at this bitch. SB got his feet kicked up like, look at this motherfucker right here. Oh my god.
I cannot believe this. We have 49 seconds
Man.
left. I can't wait till this is over. I can't wait because I'm cussing everybody out. No, 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 no. We're not playing. No, I'm going one by motherfucking one. I'm reading y'all names and I'm cussing all you guys the fuck out. All three of you hoes.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit, y'all.
Oh no!
Oh
Congratulations
man.
though, P Money. You number 4 on the Heat list. Yeah.
I don't care about being. If I was number one, I would not. I don't care
That
about that.
mean
I just care about
that
my
means
people
that you're doing
stumping these
good. What you mean
motherfuckers.
you don't care about that?
That's
That mean
all
you're
I
doing
fucking
good.
care about. That's my
Congratulations.
people stumping y'all shit.
There you go. I can
Fucking
switching it
Heat
up with some
list.
real goods. Okay. Reem,
There
Kareem
we
is
go,
a
Kane.
scoring
We don't
distance.
get no fuck about no Heat list. We want the beat shit. Fuck a Heat list. We want the beat shit.
This the last PK. I'm
Shit.
losing all day. I'm not taking no more L's.
Hey,
No
God
more.
bless your soul.
God bless you, bro. You know the
God
vibes.
bless your soul, brother. I'll get up with you. Thank you, bro. Arms of an angel, fly away from here in the star. Man, carrying that motherfucking casket doing the 1-2. Right, man. That
Yeah.
motherfucker is
Sing that song one more time.
in this sparkle something. And the ass messing in. There we go, Kane.
That be some of the angels flying to the sky. Well, guess what? Ring gonna fly on the hill.
You better leave him alone. Move back, man. Can't
Now
can't
that
on
how
can't
now
on
that
can't on the road right now. Hold on, can't on the road right now. Ain't nobody on. Can't on the road right now. We ain't that motherfucker. That motherfucker locked and loaded. Thank you, Kevin. Agent P Money. We got a mission for you. What's the word, Age Kane? Let me see something. There we go, Kane. There we go. Oh my God. That motherfucker cooking shit like grits. Yeah, Kane.
girl.
That bitch is
I should
stupid.
have rejected the invitation.
So do you understand
I always want to kick us down and shit.
that voice, Alexa, that you heard that said that you and Marquise were going to die viciously? It wasn't mine. It was
Thank
Lucifer's.
you, Kane. Appreciate you. Thank you.
You see what I'm talking about? You let these weird people come up here. That's the same shit he doing these comments.
Let that man
Abdullah
be
said
great.
to
Who
me,
cares? If
I
he
came
weird,
to
he weird.
collect
Who cares?
souls.
Be great.
I said to him, I'm here to save them.
Let that man be great. If he weird, he
Is
weird.
this bitch reading a damn book to us?
I do read the Bible here and there.
Girl, that old white folks Bible. Girl, that damn Bible was to keep the slaves to make the slaves obey.
So why you're not
You
on
do
your?
this, you're going to hell. You do this, you're going to hell. You do this, you're going to hell. Girl, shut up. Bitch, I'll make some fire, throw y'all in that
Like,
bitch and call it
thank
hell.
you. Y'all want me to tell y'all what pissed me off? That what really make me just want to smack the fuck out of her?
Calm
I
down.
hate a jealous, hateful motherfucker. I swear to God on my uncle.
Wait a minute, what's going on?
Like, I just be peeping shit. Like, you know, like one of my women hosts, like one of the
Just
people
it.
that's in our family, you know, she just be
Just
pretty,
it.
minding her business. And other women
Mm-hmm.
just be giving her that side eye, like, get your lame, man. Bitch, I'll beat your
So
ass and
you
go to
finally caught
jail.
on. It took you a minute.
Ooh.
But for real, I just hate jealous, hateful people.
I don't like that jealous shit either, because my thing is, bitch, what you jealous for?
Like,
So
for
Lex, you
real.
didn't want Marquise. You wanted
Thank you,
Just It.
Kane.
Is that it? You
Because,
Like,
wanted.
that shit so
bitch,
fucking lame to me.
repeat that.
You wanted Lucifer, and Abdul wanted me.
Nah, cause somebody trying. I just hate a jealous, hateful motherfucker.
Right. Ski mask, a slump god, Abdullahi.
That jealousy, that ain't nothing but hate.
That's why no one can pronounce Ski Mask's name. It means Abdul.
Man, get your bitch ass down from up here. I don't want to
Right.
hear that shit.
Your best friend murdered you, Jesse.
Girl, girl, P Money got these old damn psych ward people up here.
Man,
Psychic, you
look,
mean?
I ain't say you was psychic, because you don't know shit about me.
you a mean bitch, bitch.
Oh,
You mean.
I'm a what?
You always trying to
I'm
get into it
mean.
with our people. Look
I'm
at
not
Ty.
a motherfucking
Ty don't
mean.
come over and start no shit.
Hey, Tom.
Ty over here because he heard what happened to Rain. That motherfucker got deceased. He said, man, I heard you shot my homie. I ain't do it. Can't did it. That bitch did it. And he over here for a homicide. Hold on, Central.
Baby. Fuck Ty. I mean, not, oh, not Ty. I ain't meant to say that. I meant to say fuck
Nah, you
Reed.
meant to say fuck. She meant to say fuck me.
No, I like Ty. I like Ty. I didn't mean to
Oh my
say
god,
that.
wait, what? What happened?
She said
Blood to
fuck me.
heaven. I didn't
Why you
say
say
that.
fuck me, bitch?
Okay, now I'm gonna say fuck you because you ain't call me
Bitch,
no
fuck you
bitch.
too,
Now,
motherfucking bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of that bullshit, bitch.
girl, you gay ass sherbet ice
Yeah,
cream
I
looking
am, bitch,
bitch,
and what, ho? I ain't afraid of,
and that's why you
I'm
can't
proud.
cook, hoe.
That's not what I
Uh,
get. That's
uh,
not what I
uh,
get in my
uh.
review, so I ain't
Girl,
gotta answer
y'all,
to that.
she
But
be
wait,
pricking, she prick her
P
finger, and
Money,
put
what you
blood in
had
the
to say, P
food.
Money?
Yeah,
About
she
Ring?
be pricking her finger, put blood in the food, y'all.
Yeah,
Girl, you sound dumb as
K
shit.
Sean said you a bitch.
No, I wasn't
Fuck
trying to
K
say that
Sean.
about Ty. I was talking
But
about
no,
Ring. But
you
go
said
ahead,
something about Ring. What happened with Ring? I don't know. I don't
we
know. I don't
wiped
be on
his
here like that.
ass. We wiped that ass.
We wiped them motherfucking nose like snot, boy.
We
Oh,
wiped
y'all
the
had a
blood.
PK, brother.
Hard
Yeah,
with a paper
we saw
towel.
some blood
Never gonna catch.
dripping, and we wiped his nose.
K Sean, shut the fuck up, bitch. Let me
You
see how
shut
many
the fuck
sins this
up,
bitch got. Bitch, you got
It's
30K
happening.
sins, bitch. And you from DC, bitch. I'm from
girl.
Baltimore,
I
bitch.
ain't
Don't
never
talk
seen
all
It's
a
that
happening,
rainbow.
bullshit,
Kane.
bitch. We ain't fucking
Girl,
linking
you
up,
look a
bitch. Fuck you
fool,
talking about, hoe.
girl.
I'm from
I don't give
Baltimore,
a
bitch.
fuck what you talking about,
Bitch,
bitch.
I'll
Get your
slap the
hoe
shit
ass.
out you,
Don't
hoe.
you got something to go
Bitch.
cook? Don't you got some orders to
No,
go
I
cook?
don't, bitch. It's nighttime, bitch. It's 2 in the morning, bitch. What
Okay,
the
well,
fuck am I
people
cooking,
hungry.
bitch?
People
Only thing
still
I'm cooking is
hungry. But
sleep,
it's people
baguette.
hungry right now.
Bitch, you sound like you got a fucking cold, bitch. Shut up.
Do you want to fight?
Bitch, I'm in Baltimore. What's up?
Kane, man, it's
I'm
happening.
in Texas. What's up?
It's
No,
happening.
bitch. I'm in Texas too, but bitch, you from Washington D.C., baby. You out the street, baby. I be
No,
home
I'm in
Tuesday,
Texas. I just
bitch.
got it set as Washington D.C. I'm
Oh,
in
I'm in
Texas.
Houston, so I mean, what? What's up?
What's up? What we doing? Come
Let's
on.
go,
I
Kane.
mean, what we doing? What we doing? What we scoring, bitch? I'll beat
Come,
the shit
come,
out
come
you,
to my
hoe.
city. Come to my city.
No, you
Move,
come.
no.
I'm not from here, bitch. Come down here in
No, come
Houston.
to Dallas.
No.
You got the money and the gas. Go ahead and drop. Ain't
No,
number a
baby, I
couple
ain't done
hours.
all that. I ain't done all
It's a
that, bitch. I
couple
ain't that
hours.
pressed to fight a bitch and beat a
Oh,
bitch
okay,
up.
yeah, cause you scary.
Girl, you on here talking shit. P Money.